Tell others to join immediately. Tell to others to join immediately. Listen carefully, then you can download the video, then you can go ahead with the practicing. Otherwise, you can take one pen paper, you can note down what are the steps to be followed. So I hope 10th program you can, if you add 1 or 2 options, it will be over for this program. 1 or 2 options, that's all. Why delay? I told yesterday only. Anyway, that is their problem. So we'll start. Right, sir. So good morning. Today I'll be telling how to install the, how to create the database and how to give the connection between front end and back end. So not using MySQL, NetBeans only backside database is there. So using that one only we'll do first. Then we'll go for the MySQL also. MySQL I'll tell you next class. So today now we'll see using NetBeans only how to do it. So this is what the, can able to see the screen? Can able to see the screen? Students?
Yes, sir.
NetBeans? Can you able to see NetBeans screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Somebody should talk. Right. So now, so this is what the, when you are opening, you will be getting the like this, you will be getting left hand side. So now we want to create the database. How to create the database? So just move to the services. So you will be getting like this databases. Under that you will have JavaDB, EMP, sample, StudentDB. Okay, you have the drivers also. So how to install the drivers also I'll tell you. So now here how many tables are there? Actually only one table will be there normally. Sample table will be there. For practicing purpose I have created EMP table and student.db table. Okay, EMP table and StudentDB table, 2 tables have practiced purpose I have done it. Don't worry, normally only you will be getting this one only sample. So that you will be getting this one sample. That's it. So now when you are clicking right click, so start the server. So let us see the server, how to run the server, all those things you will see it now. Now what have to do is you have to create the table. Now I made the steps here, just to see it here. Can you over creating the database? Creating the database. So now how to create the database is nothing but what I've told you is go to service tab, left hand side and select the database. Okay, go to services tab, left hand side and select the database. Now because I'll be sending this file to you people, by seeing this you can create the table. That is the reason I made it with screenshots. Now go for the this one. So here projects, this is the services. The first step what I told you is nothing but go to the service tab, left hand side and select the database. So now this is what this actually normally it will be like this. You have to, it will be normally when you are opening first time it will be like this. You have to select this. Now what will happen? You will be getting like this databases. That means this is more the window you got it. Do you got it like this window now? Same thing you got it? Yes. So now what you have to do is you have to create the database. So now databases, JavaDB, and right click. So here, this one, select the right click. So now once you click this, you have to create the database. Now steps are you able to follow now? First one is go to services left hand side and select the database. Once you do this, you have to create the table database. For that you have to do it database, JavaDB, right click. Now database under the JavaDB and right click. So you have to create the database. Now what I have to do is EMP1 have practiced it. We'll create one table. EMP1 will be creating the table name is called EMP1 and you need to give the username and password. I'll be creating EMP1. I'll mark it down. So username I'll be entering AJP only and password also I'll give AJP only. Try to give all small letters only so that no confusions will be there when you are practicing first time. Afterwards you can create one capital letter, small letter, doesn't matter. But let me, my suggestion is nothing but go for all first time when you are creating all small letters only best. No confusions will be there. Otherwise you go for all capital letters. Any one case sensitive, one capital letter, one small letter, don't go for the database especially. So what will happen? When you are connecting there, sometimes you will do mistakes, it will be going for the errors. Chances are there. That is the reason my suggestion, go for only one. So I'll give for AJP one. So you have the database locations here, it will be displayed. Database locations will be displayed. And here you have EMP drivers, sample drivers, student DB drivers. You have only 3 drivers here. Now EMP1 I'll be creating. See here now, I'll click OK. See now here you can be able to see starting the JavaDB server. It is going on. It will be creating, it will take some time, you need to wait. Right? So now when you have created EMP1, only 1 second. So when you have created EMP1, here one more driver entered here. So JDBC DAR by localhost 1527 EMP1 and AJP on AJP. So username and password. So there it will be displaying other way. So we have given username also AJP and password also same thing AJP have given. Is it clear now? Right. Now if you click this, you don't have any sub items. You don't have any sub items because still I have not created the fields. I have not entered it. For example, if you go for EMP, just I'm showing that sub. Right, because still I have not started the server. Okay, so now what I have to do is EMP. So just I'll start the server. Now I will start the server. See here. So now once you start the server, here you will be getting, see here 2 things will be coming. Apache DR by network server 10.6.2.1 and started and ready to accept the connections on port this one. So there is no errors. It is created. Right. So this is what the network DB database network, this one we are doing. So it will be created. Now, what is the next step? So I'm showing parallelly this one database connection also, so that you will not get any confusion. Database, Java DB, right click. So create the database. Once you create the database, you have given username EMP, AJP, AJP. So I have given EMP1. So you can go for EMP only, no problem. Next, what you have to do is you have to create the Java database, because we have created this one, username, password, AJP, AJP, entered. This also over. So table name EMP1, AJP, AJP. So once completed this, next what you have to do is, because nothing will be there, after this you have to give the connect. So select JDBC DR by localhost, right click and connect. So because it should run that is the reason we have to go for EMP1. Whatever you have created the table, for you will not get any confusion, because when you are creating first time, no tables will be there, only sample will be there, only one table, because I have practiced 2 tables, because if I delete that code will be waste. So that is the reason I am keeping EMP1, AJP, AJP. Just right click, connect. So database connections over. See, now once you do database connections nearby this, how many, previously it was nothing. Now many things are available. AJP, AJP, null, SQL, all these things will be available. Okay. So this is what the options. Now it is disabled, connect. So disconnect means nothing will be there. See here, now nothing is there. So now click connect. So once you give the connections, you will be getting all these things. Now go to this, connect. Now select the way of creating the table, then enter the values. So now how to select this? Now you have the AJP table. Here you have to create the table. So now DR by localhost, port number, EMP, AJP, AJP is there. Under this you have the tables. You have to create the table. Now move here. Now AJP is there, AJP is there. So you have to click AJP here. Once you click this, you will be getting the tables, because nothing is there. That is the reason it is not displaying anything. Now select the table and right click. That is what this. Now here you see it here, AJP, under this table, create the table. Are you able to follow? Students? Arjun?
Yes, sir, I'm understanding.
Yeah. You have to practice afterwards, then only you can be able to do it. Now AJP, create the table. Right, see here, untitled is there. Now you have to give the name. You have to give the name. I'll give EMP1. So add the column. So add the column is nothing but EMP number. Employee number I'll take. So here is, you have many options: numeric, varchar, varchar, here big data, small, time is there, character for big data, real, date, many options are available. So I'll go for integer. I'll go for integer. So default, no problem. I'll go for primary key. You know the values. Primary key is nothing but values is compulsory to enter, and it should be unique. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are register numbers, whatever are date of employee ID number, whatever they want, let them give it. So no problem. So now just click OK. Right. One is created. Now one more I'll create it. Here I'll go for EMP name. So I'll go for varchar. So size I'll give 20. So nothing, null index, no problem. Just enter it here. This is what one. Next, EMP date of joining. I'll go for EMP DATA, EMP date. I'll select for the date only here. You can select for the date. Nothing, default values, nothing. Just you can go for OK. Next, one more column. You have the phone number. Phone number. These also I'll go for integer. This is what the way of creating the table. So let us stop 4 fields, that is more than sufficient. So we have entered 2 integers, 1 varchar, 1 data. Different data types also have taken. You can see here all these information: scale, default value, checklist constraints. So when you are going for first time, don't go for any other options. Just you select one primary key, remaining is directly. That's it. So remaining, this automatical index will be there. So just OK. Shall I click OK? Right. Database is created.
Sir?
Yeah.
Sir, 1 second, sir. Means I am also doing with you.
You're also doing parallelly?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So can you open that, sir?
Right. No problem. You try to create minimum fields only. Don't go for maximum.
Yes, sir.
Otherwise, whatever I am entering, you enter it the same fields.
Yes, sir. So I wanted to say that.
EMP number, EMP name, EMP date, phone number. Shall I go?
Yes, sir.
Created.
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Created.
Arjun, created.
Yes, sir. Created.
Done. Okay.
Yes.
So next step. So you should have told me, no, I should have sent it first itself, this PPT file to your, this one, if you are doing parallelly. This one. Right,
Okay,
sir. Once you create the table, after creating that, you have to enter the values. Screenshot I forgot. Now I will paste it. No problem. So now, properties. Next. We have to enter the values. How to enter the values? Stop refresh. Right. View the data. So view the data. So what I have to do is, you have to right click this and view the data. So once you right click and view the data, if you get it, you will get like this. Select the star from ajp.emp1. Now we have to enter the values. How to enter the values is nothing but, so 2 ways. One is you can enter the select command here. Otherwise here it is there. See here. Okay. Insert the records. insert the records. Are you able to see this?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So plus is there, no? Right click this. So now I'll enter first field is EMP number. So I'll go for 1. So I'll enter my name first, P. Sudarshanam, and date. So here you can select the date here, whatever which date you want, no problem. See here, any date can be selected. Okay, I'll select April 21st. You can select any date, no problem. So phone number, one number. Next, down you will be getting add row. Are you able to get it? Can you see add row?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So you can add it. Okay. 10 numbers only have given. Right. Next, second number, you can enter 2. So, Ashok. So date, you can select any date now, no problem. So some phone number enter more than 10 numbers. So I have entered maybe some bit number I hope. Add row. So third one, and I'll go for Arjun. Some date and their phone numbers. You have to enter some numbers and add row. Fourth one. And go for 2 girls. Nayana. Some date and phone number. And one more girl student. I'll enter it. Diksha. And some phone number. So 5 fields is sufficient. I'll click OK. Yes. So here is no errors. Even you can see here. Can you able to see here the numbers? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and Sudarshanam number. I might have deleted the phone number. I hope, I don't know. Venkatesh, Sudarshanam, Arjun, Diksha. These numbers we have entered. Huh? SAP.emp1. Okay, so this is what the fields, and you can see the view the data. So this is what the data here. First name Sudarshanam, some numbers, and Ashok, Arjun, Nayana, Diksha. Because we have to run there, we'll run it there. So we'll see this. Okay, so now this is what they create the tables. So EMP number, EMP name, EMP date, phone number, indexes. So for in case that we have not done it, this is what the way of creating the tables. So once again, I'll tell you here how to create the tables also. So last step, I'll add the screenshot later and I'll add it under here. So what you have to do is, first step, go to the services tab, left hand side, and select the database. And once you click this, you will be getting, this is what the default it will be showing. And next is create the database is nothing but you need to go for database, Java DB, right click. Next is you have to create the database. So this is what the right click and create the database. Once you create the database, you will be getting like this, and you enter the whatever you want. The name, database name, you have to give it, username and password. So this password should be remembered when you are writing the program. So once you finish this, you'll be getting this one. Even if it is existing system, existing tables, if you are giving, it will show the errors. Next is once you select this and localhost, right click and the connect. So once completed this, you have to right click and connect. Okay, now you have to write it that one, select star from SAP.emp1. When command will see it, select, sometimes it will work star from So executed means here it will be displayed. Execution finished after 0.2 seconds, error occurred. Error occurred is what? SAP.emp1. Right. Okay, displaying here only. So let us see that one will run there and will execute it. So this is what they create the table here. Anyway, front end only we need it. So that is what we have to see it there. So now, any doubt for creating the table? Arjun, you got it? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Arjun,
Yes,
you
sir.
got
I
it
got.
created?
Yes, sir. I created.
Yes. Anybody
But
else
it is
created?
showing null in name, sir.
Arjun, you are saying something?
Yeah, sir. It is showing null in name.
Showing null in main. Where?
Name, sir. In EMP name, it is showing null for me. I don't know why. I took integer also. I took text also, and like character and varchar. I tried with 3 also. It is showing null.
It is displaying for you.
No, sir. Like it is not displaying names. It is just displaying null. I don't know why.
Okay. Anyway,
Sir,
here this one I have not practiced. Just I have tried it now.
okay,
So
sir.
actually, have done. I have written the program there and I have executed there. That one we'll see, because anyway this
Okay.
one nobody will accept it. No, so to create
Okay.
for creating purpose only for here for us.
Okay, sir.
So let us see that one. I'll see later. So select star from EMP, because this code may be a bit different or what, I don't know. So let us see. Now we go to program projects. So now what you have to do is go to file, new project. So you have to take here, previously it was there in Java web. Now we have to select the Java application. Okay, Java and Java applications. We have to take this and go for next. So here is, we have to give the some name. So I'll give database 1. So here it is showing project folder already exists and it is not empty. So you have to give some name. I'll give database 1. Okay, followed. So now coming to the second options. Already I have stored it here, and one more I'll enter it here. That is not clear. So database 1 and view the next. Right. Shall I finish it off? Any doubt? Finished. So now creating a new project, database 1. Right. See here, now it is created one file called database. Packages is there, nothing is there. Now delete all comments lines, nothing will happen. So here you have to write the code here. Okay. So is it clear now how to create one? Database 1 have created the new project. Under the Java applications, you need to select it. It will be created database.java automatically. This is what the default program. Now we need to write the code. Let us move to here. So here I'll tell you, entire program is available here. Entire program is available. See here, many things are there. What is there? Import.java.sql results set mp import java.sql execution, Java SQL statement, Java utility.date, public class database, all these things. So only actually public class database only ours, isn't it? So next, public static main. So all these things code is available. So now, so simple code only I've written it. So instead of practice, instead of copy and pasting, we'll go for one by one. We'll go for the one by one. So just what I've done is, you need to remember the 3 points. One is called connection, one is called the statements, one is called the results. One is called the connection, one is called the statement, one is called the results. So that is the way of writing the DBMS program. So now first one, what I told you, connection. Connection.mysql.one object is equal to null. So I will be making first one is called this one, connection. You have to make it. So this is what yesterday at theory I have told you. Just type it CONNECTION, connection. So I have entered here my connection.object, mycon.obj. mycon obj is equal to null, semicolon. So it's showing error, isn't it? It's showing error. See here, it is showing error. So just what happen is, just right here, click it and import single java.sql connection. Click it. So now import here, import java.sql connection. It is entered here. Is it clear? Arjun,
Yes, sir.
do you got it?
Yes, sir, I got.
Yes. Now the second one is nothing but what? Now statement. So you have to write the statement. So write it the statement, my statement object. Just I'll copy and paste it. No problem. So you type it. So statement is equal to my statement dot object is equal to null. You type it. Actually, I have typed it. You, when you are practicing, you type it. I'll give code. I don't have any problem. Only thing is, you will be getting the easy way, because if you get errors also in the examination, how to do it. So now it is showing the error. So once you show the error, just click it here. So add import java.beans.statement. So you have to go for import for java.sql statement. So we need for the SQL statement. Now we are not using Java beans here. So students, please remember this. The second one you need to take it here. Second one you have to take it. So SQL dot statement. So now SQL dot statement you will be getting. Right. So now once you connection, first one I told you, you have to write the statements. Next what you have to do, you have to do the results. So results is nothing but result set is equal to, otherwise I'll type it, I don't have any problem. Result set is equal to first letter is capital letter. Result set is equal to my results obj equal to null. So again it is showing the error. Again it is showing error. Now what you do, click this one, java.sql.result set. So you have to select this one, first one. No problem. If it is time exceeds, I'll tell you next day also. Please try to learn it properly, because database connections always will be getting the errors. So you have to practice properly. So my suggestion is, anyway, you cannot copy these programs, because previous programs just you can copy and paste it there and you can run the program. But in this case, you have to type only, because otherwise it will show the errors. Now enter it here. Even if I run this, what will happen? See here. See, build successful, no errors. Because like this, we can go for one by step process also. Is it clear till here? Arjun, got it?
Yes, sir, I got to leave.
Up to here, you got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Try to give same names only, so that you, when I'm typing the code also, you can give it. Anybody else practicing parallelly? Anybody else? Ashok? Are you practicing?
No, sir. No, sir. After I will. Sir.
Huh? Okay, make it mute.
After I will do.
No problem. No problem. Make it mute. So we'll get disturbances. So anybody is having till now doubt how to make it? Right, sir. Because here you can see with the screenshots I've entered it. No problem. Next is driver get connection. You have to write the DB driver. How to write the DB driver? You have to see it here. Now DB driver is nothing but what? So we have to write try and catch. So I'll write first try and catch, then I'll go for that one. So now try, right. Next is catch. So we are doing which program now? Database connection. So you have to write the catch is nothing but what? SQL exception, you have to write it. SQL exception. Write it SQL and E. So SQL exception. So this one, I already have done it. So, but once again, I'm typing that stuff. So here is SQL exception E. So I have to write SQL capital letter. Enter it here and write the code here. So e.print.stake trust. So if you have any errors, you'll be getting as it is. E.print S capital semicolon. SQL exception and e.print stack trace and this one. So here is e.print stack trace and this one, but it is showing here error for us. So now just right click this. You have the import for java.sql.sql exception. Just click this. Throws print track should be removed. Why? SQL exception e.print. Write it, no problem. That is what catch SQL exception. This one catch SQL exception e.print stack trace. So because we have not written any code here, that is the reason it's showing error. Once you write the code, it goes. Now try to write it the database link here. Now how to give the database link? So here driver is there, my connection is there. So my connection.obj. The first one is nothing but this one, my connection.obj. Just type it here, mycon.obj. mycon.obj. You have to write it mycon.obj. So see here as it is equal to driver manager driver. You have to write it driver manager dot driver manager dot. See here is nothing but what? Driver manager dot get connection. You have to write it driver manager dot get connection. Get connection. So yesterday I told you the syntax is which one? One is the string URL, one is called URL and information, and get connection. One is called URL, one is called username, another one is called the password. Which one I told you yesterday? Anybody can say? Huh? Second one or third one?
Sir, third.
Third one.
Third
one. Yes. Select the third one and then enter it. mycon is equal to driver manager dot get connection. 3 fields you have to write it. So the first one is called open bracket. So first one is called the URL. So see here what I've written URL is nothing but. So here is this one JDBC nearby localhost 1527 EMP. How you are getting is nothing but this one is nothing but. So you have to go for services and this one here is there, no? So this one. So how to copy here? So this one, are you able to see this? JDBC colon nearby localhost 1527 EMP AJP.AJP. So this is what you have to do it. Okay. So database Java. So here how to copy this one only I'm struggling.
Sir, click on that. Right click, sir. Right click on that. Sir, rename.
Properties, yes. We'll go for the properties and you will be having the database drivers. So select this and copy here. You have to go for properties because yesterday I have typed data. So close this and so you have the database display the name, this one. So URL, drivers, all these things you will be getting here information. So now you have to get it, this one, copied it, just close this and go here. Okay. So you have entered it. So can you able to see this? And null is nothing but delete null and double quotes. So second one is called what? Username. What you have given username here? AJP. Password also same thing AJP. So give it AJP and here also same thing. Double click AJP. Sorry, double quotes within the quotes, double quote, end with the semicolon. Is it clear? So this path is you are getting this one here. So JDBC colon /. So nearby localhost port number 1527 EMP1 your database name and yours is nothing but the AJP username and password. This is what your URL for your program. That's what last class I was telling for the URL. So this is what the URL. Clear now? So now once it is connection over, so my connection over. Next what you have to do the second one. Second one is nothing but what? You have to write the statements, my statement object. So my statement object is equal to, you have to create the statements. So how to create the statement is nothing but my statement object So whenever you are typing, this you should get it, because any spelling mistakes, yellow color if you are getting, so your object is there, then only it will create that one. Otherwise, no. Is equal to, write the statement called my connection obj, my connection object. So that means previous object, whatever you have created, the previous one, that name, dot, execute the statements. How to execute the statement? Create the statement. Next one, execute now. Create the statement. Dot, create the statement. So this one, first one. Select it, this one, and enter it, semicolon. So just because if it is unformatted, this, just go here, source format is there, so automatically it will be formatted. So many options are there. Even HTML, we have type text, all those things, that is also we can drag and drop. I'll tell you next lab. Next is you need to execute the statements. So my results.obj, my results.obj is equal to, what you have to do? You have to execute the statement. How to execute the statement is nothing but my previous statement dot execute the query. So write it previous one, my statement object dot execute query. So you have to take the second one here because query is required. Second one, 1 second.
Sir, first one.
First one only. Okay, okay. Dot execute query string. First one, sorry. One second. Any other thing is there? Because yesterday when I typed that one, execute query of query. So let us type it query here. We'll see. Execute query you have to take, sir. Arjun. Not that statement. Obj dot execute string SQL Boolean result set. First one only will take. Right. So for that we have to write the one more command, this SQL. So one object name you have to pass it. So that object name is nothing but this one. Select star from string. So here, write it here, and enter select star from this, and write it here the object name. Query, QUERY. End with semicolon. Now error gone. So that is what you have to write here. So my object, so that is called the statement. You have created the driver manager, get the connections, and create the statements. Once it is connection over, you have to create the statements. Which one you want, either update or delete or whatever it may be. Next one is execute the queries. So save this. Shall I continue or shall I stop and tomorrow remaining things? Hello?
Tomorrow, sir.
Right. So here is, now you will be getting the error driver manager Java 6.2, correct? No. So now because this drivers is included, because when I told you yesterday, first we have to install the drivers. Till now we didn't install the drivers. How to install the drivers I'll tell you tomorrow. I'll send that drivers. Even you have to install it in your system, then only it will work for your programs. Otherwise it will show error, this one only, SQL exception, no suitable driver found for the JDBC DR by EMP1 at Java SQL driver manager get connection. This one you will be getting. Okay, so this is the problems, and I'll send it today. Drivers, make it, keep it, download it and keep it. How to install I will tell you. Okay, shall I stop now, Arjun?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because one day too much also problems, no problem. So up to here you practice it. So drivers installation, and remaining programs I'll tell you tomorrow, so that your 10th program also, half of the program will be over. Only thing is you need to enter the queries. That's all. That I'll tell. We'll do it. Same program only. We'll do it later. Okay. I hope all of you got clear this. If you have any doubts, you can see the video and you can practice it. And meanwhile, the word format also I'll make it 1 or 2 missed out. That screenshots, that also I'll add it. Then I'll send it to you. So keep with you video and this one, whatever I will be sending the word file, so that you can go ahead according to that. So I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts, you see it once, then come back tomorrow, tomorrow class also. Please try to connect exact time, so that my time also, your time also will not be waste. So once database connection over, then okay, no problems. You can do it. So front end or back end, if you give the connection, then you can play whatever you want. All the executable commands, you can do it. You will not be getting any problems. So I'll take the attendance. Tell me fast, because only 1 minute is there. Where is the attendance? Right, sir. BY series 1.
Present, sir.
2. 3.
Present, sir.
4. 5. 6.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9. 8 present, huh?
Present, sir.
9. Tell fast. 10. 11.
Present, sir.
11.
Present, sir.
12. Make it unmute.
Present, sir.
Make it unmute before
13 present, sir.
2 numbers only. 10. 11.
13 present, sir.
11.
Present, sir. 11 present,
12.
sir.
12 present,
12. 13.
Present, sir.
14.
13 present, sir.
14 present, sir.
16.
Present, sir.
17.
Present, sir.
18.
Present, sir.
19. 20.
Present, sir.
21. 22. 23.
Present, sir.
24.
Present, sir.
25.
24. Present, sir.
25
Yes, sir.
26.
Present, sir.
27.
27, yes, sir.
28. 29.
Yes, sir.
30.
Present, sir.
TD series 2.
Present, sir.
3.
Present, sir.
4.
Present, sir.
5.
5 present, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Present, sir.
9.
Present, sir.
10.
Present, sir.
11.
Yes, sir.
12.
Present, sir.
13.
Present, sir.
14. 15. 16.
Present, sir.
17. 17. Why so many absentees today? 18.
Present, sir.
19. 20.
Present, sir.
Arjun, you left. Be here. I want to talk to you. 19. Sunila.
Sir, 21, Sunil, sir.
21. 22.
Present, sir.
23.
Present, sir.
Right.
Sir, BY 24 sure present, sir.
24 present.
Yes.
Right, sir. Anybody else? Anybody else? I hope absentees are today 2, 4, 5, 9, 19, 21, 22, 28, TD series 6, 14, 17, and 23. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 members are absent today. The highest online class, 11 members are highest compared to last 2 semesters also. Okay, I'll stop the recording, then I'll